Hi, I'm Danny Kloss with TriPoint Refrigeration. You might remember me from a service call where I fixed your reach-in freezer. Did you know that we service ice machines? TriPoint Refrigeration works on all kinds of refrigeration equipment. Ice machines are just one of the types of refrigeration equipment that we service, repair, lease, and sell. Ice machines are one of our favorite machines to perform preventative maintenance on because the difference between a dirty machine and a clean machine could be the difference between a working machine and a machine that is broken. Texas water is hard. The mineral content of the water is just as large as Texas. It builds up on the inside of the machine and can cause major problems when the ice drops from the evaporator, clogging up inlet and dump valves, and it makes it taste bad. Who wants to drink rocks? Something as simple as mineral buildup can cause your machine to stop working. The more well-known enemy of ice machines is mold, or as Marvin Zindler used to say, slime in the ice machine. While slime may not cause the same kind of failures as scale, it can cause clogs, water leaks, and prevent some parts from electronically operating normally. Float switches can get jammed, sending the wrong information to the control board. Drain lines can get clogged up, causing improper drainage. And my gosh, who wants moldy ice? Not me, and neither do your customers. Regularly cleaning and sanitizing your ice machine can prevent these issues from happening, preserving the life of your ice machine, enabling it to operate better, longer. Not only do we perform preventative maintenance, we also sell, lease, and service all brands of commercial ice machines. Call us if you're looking for a new machine, for ice machine repair, or perhaps your ice machine just isn't performing its best. It could just need some TLC. We'll see you next time.